This is Gideon, and today I'm going to go overview about the new pricing of Glide. So let's just dive right into it. So firstly, as we can see, we have differentiation between companies and makers. Makers is for individual purposes or non-profit organizations, schools, and stuff like that. And for companies is mostly for businesses. So let's see the differences and what everything is means. So also we have like we can pay yearly and save 20% per month, or we can just pay monthly, and we're gonna see that some of the price is going to change. So on the free plan, we can have 10 personal users, meaning personal email. Personal email is something like at gmail.com, and a business email is gideonlahav.com. Okay, if your email ends with a domain, it's a business one, and if it's a public, then it's a personal one. Then we have updates. Updates is when I do something with my data. I'm sending a webhook or operate integration or stuff like that. Because on the free plan, we do not have any integration and no trigger webhooks or nothing. Also, we don't have any external data source. Then we don't need any updates, because as long as we're going to use glide tables, uh, glide won't count any of the updates. So basically, this is free totally. Editors are the people who actually create apps, duplicate them, delete them, and one of them probably going to be the admin who going to be in charge of the billing. One app published. So basically, those editors can build like 100 apps, and they can operate them and use them inside the developing area of Glide. But only one app they can publish and give access to those 10 personal users. We will see along the plans that these numbers just going to increase and change, but this is basically the fundamental of that. Next, we can see the key features. Of course, every other plan includes the last one, so we can see we have almost all components, real-time data sync because it's in-house data. You will see every change that you're going to do immediately. If a mathematician function, or if you add information, edit information, delete information, you will see the change immediately. Support you will get only for the community of Glide. And also, I invite you to use the Facebook Glide community. I will try to help you as much as I can. It's not really relevant in which plan you are, but I will help you as much as I can. Next, on Maker, we can see that we're gonna get unlimited personal users. So it's great for schools and nonprofit. We get 500 updates because this time we have webhooks, we have integrations, and we can use outsource data sources. So in Google Sheets, whenever I'm gonna do update, delete, edit, or whatever, then it's gonna count as an update. All right. So next, we're gonna see the and one more important thing, we have CSS now. CSS was not there previously; it was only business and above. But after a lot of effort, uh, which I take some of the credit for, I was able to downgrade the CSS, and now you can get it in any plan any paid plan, meaning that any people that want to build like an app in RTL language, right to left language, like Hebrew and Arabic, now they can, which is awesome, of course. And now it's glad can be really a global thing, which is pretty huge. Now let's go for the companies. So in companies, of course, the numbers are a bit different. Everything here is being increased, but the users is not unlimited anymore. And the reason is because now you can use also business emails like Gmail, like a gideonlove.com, for example. And that's why those plans are more for businesses. You can get actually unlimited users, but you will need to pay now for additional above the 20 included here, or in the business above the 40 included. In the enterprise, you just need to contact sales and get a custom pricing. We're also going to get in the team, we're going to get the Glide AI, which is a really powerful tool. We're going to get some APIs so we can add rows, edit, and delete from outsource from with API from different places. For example, adding a new sale from Stripe, for example. In all the other previous plan, we also got like 25K rows. In business, we can get even up to 10 million once we're gonna use big tables and SQL data sources. As you can see, we have almost everything is open here, all the SQLs, which is of course great. In the team and above, we're gonna get glide support. Business above, we get priority on the support, so we're gonna get answered faster. And in business and above, you will get actually somebody from Glide that will talk to you. And now let's go down here, the price calculator. Here you can get like a rough estimation of how much you're going to pay. For example, I want to pay monthly. I'm going to pay for the team. I estimate that I'm going to have 60 users, and I will need 2.5K updates. So this is going to be my pricing, which is great. Now I can estimate how much will it be, and I know how much I need to invest in my account. Down here, we can see a bit more information about the pricing. You can just hover those icons and read all about it. In business plan, we have some other features that do not have, like call API, iframe, stuff that didn't mention before. If any reason you need an assistant, something is not clear for you, you can always contact me via the Facebook groups or personally. You can also book a call if you need CSS for your app, for example, to make it right to left, or just explain of how this works. And that's it. Hope this was clear. Hope it's understandable. I think the pricing plans now are really great. I think it's the individuals compared to businesses is more clear, and you can understand what you need to do. And yeah, that's it for today.